Like, subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Saloni and today we are going to talk about Ketu. So let us know what Ketu is in Vedic astrology, what it denotes, how it works. Ketu is a planet which is not real. It is not an astronomical planet but just the south node of moon. So it's just a mathematical point. This planet is also referred as Swarbhanu along with Rahu in Vedic mythology, where the Swarbhanu named Rakshasa eclipsed Sun. And this planet is malefic in nature, called the Rakshas Graha. It denotes your intuition, it denotes spirituality of a person, it denotes detachment from the material things. This planet is just denoted as the body of a snake. Body of a snake that represents Kal, which is time. And the body of the snake is all about the past deeds, about the past karma. So Ketu is going to give results of the past karmas that have been done in the past life are all related with Ketu. So it can also give you ancestral gains. What's the intuition of a person? This planet denotes mysteries. This planet denotes occult, mysticism, things like related with astrology, which require your sixth sense, psychic ability. That's all seen with the planet Ketu. And this planet also provides one an ability to get into research work, to dig up matters deeply, because Ketu is all about roots. Everything which is under the crust of the earth is all ruled by Ketu. So this planet is also prime planet when we see about things like mining, things related to research work, or things which are related with spirituality, or things related with sannyas or asceticism. The motive of this planet is to get to roots of every matter. And overall, if you see what is the root of life, the root of life is only about evolving yourself. The root of life is getting towards moksha, towards salvation. So that is what this planet is about. It is all related with moksha, which means liberation of the soul. And liberation of the soul becoming free from all the outwardly attachments, only happens when the person realizes that all these things, all these outwardly material things are not providing him anything good in life. They're only causing pain, misery, and that is why he's getting more into illusion and greed. So Ketu is a planet actually about spiritual awareness. It is a planet which lets you know that anything that is there in this world, any material thing related with the earthly abundance, it's only just to provide you some sort of worldly comfort, but it is not something that is really going to help to progress your soul. But God Ketu generally has a gem over his head or a mysterious beam of light that is coming out of his head. So this mysterious light that comes out of the head is only showing enlightenment, and the gem that is over the head, it all denotes that whatever is under the crust of the earth, whatever stones are there, those things are also denoted by this planet. This planet also denotes the DNA of a person. That is why I said that it denotes the ancestry of a person. So if there is any problem related to the blood or related to the DNA or genetical problem, that is all seen by this planet. This planet also denotes dogs, it denotes servitude, it denotes selfless service as well at times. It rules the sign of Scorpio along with Mars and this planet, because since this planet does not have a head, so with the influence of Jupiter, it will get some wisdom. With the influence of Mercury, it will get some intelligence which can guide this planet. So actually this planet is not a guide but just a body which is wavering here and there to find out solutions about how to get out of the karmic cycle. So that is the motive of this planet, but only with the help of any benefic planet and its aspect this planet gets guided. So I hope you liked this video about Ketu, and if you liked it, then do hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.